Look at the elephants moving, Mama. Look at this appetizer combo. Alright. Megan. Mother. Hello. What do your friends say, Mother?
They are my friends.
They are your friends, that's right. We got a jambalaya. Mama's got a pot roast. Megan's got a burger. No. Oh my gosh. Wow, thank you so much. Look at that.
Oh my
Holy guacamole. Mother, you gotta eat that whole thing.
The whole thing.
Did you take your insulin, Mother? That's all real sugar, baby. Mother! Are you ready to eat this, Mother? What do you think, Mother?
She's going into a comatose.
Mother?
Already.
Mother? Are you excited about the elephants, Mother? It's a storm again, Mother. Oh my gosh, is she gonna be okay, Megan?
I'll protect her.
Oh look, the apes, Mother. The Planet of the Apes. I should do a Planet of the Apes restaurant. Mother, are you scared, Mother, or are you happy?
I'm happy.
Oh, Mother.
I'm having a good day.
Yay.
I really enjoyed the company.
She enjoyed our company. We love you, Mother. You're the best mother. Beautiful fishies. And a beautiful Megan.
Yes.
All right, here we go. Hey, look at these two mermaids. You looking at the fishies?
Maybe look how cute this fish is. Watch this fish right here. Then he's going back and forth.
Cool.
Isn't it so cute?